Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that can literally change your life, especially if you're into weight loss, meal prep, or just sick of guessing how much peanut butter is actually a tablespoon. And stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll show you exactly why this scale is better than all the others on Amazon. You ever try to eyeball your food portions and wonder why the scale isn't moving? Yeah, that's because eyeballing is just fancy talk for guessing. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, more like 300 extra calories you didn't count. That's where this little guy comes in, the Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale, aka your new best friend in weight loss. Alright, let's talk about why this thing is so good, and why other scales are just kinda meh. First, precision. This baby measures down to 1 gram accuracy. That means no more close enough nonsense. Whether you're measuring almonds, chicken, or protein powder, you'll always know exactly how much you're eating. Multiple units. Grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, this thing does it all. No need to convert measurements in your head because, let's be honest, nobody wants to do math while cooking. 3 tare function. You know when you put a plate on a scale and suddenly it weighs 2 pounds? Yeah, that's where the tare function comes in. Just press a button and it subtracts the weight of your plate, so you're only measuring the food. Genius. 4. Sleek and compact. It's small, stylish, and made of stainless steel. Basically, it won't be an eyesore in your kitchen. And it's super easy to clean. Just wipe it down and boom, good as new. Okay, so there are tons of food scales on Amazon, but a lot of them have issues. Some are slow, some aren't accurate, and some look like they were made in 1999. This one, super fast, super accurate, and built to last. Plus, it comes with batteries included, which means you can start using it right away instead of digging through your junk drawer. For 8AA batteries. Alright, final verdict. Should you buy the Etekcity Food Scale? Yes. Whether you're losing weight, tracking macros, or just want to level up your cooking, this thing is an absolute must-have. I've dropped the link in the description, so check it out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy measuring.